The Bobcat CT2540 features a fully enclosed cab for unbeatable comfort working on hot summer days or while clearing snow in harsh cold weather. This model offers all the standard features you expect on a compact tractor, including 4-wheel drive, Category 1 3-point hitch, power steering, and a hydrostatic transmission. It brings the power, maneuverability, and versatility to tackle any job on your farm or property.
Hi, I'm Michael Batalla of Swiderski Equipment Mosinee. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about this Bobcat CT2540 compact tractor. Tractor's a 4-wheel drive, obviously with a cab on it with heat and air conditioning. Tractor comes equipped with a 3-range hydrostatic transmission with cruise control and linked pedal feature. We've got a Bobcat FL8 front end loader on it, capable of lifting just over 1,300 pounds. A quick detach loader. It also comes standard with a quick attach bucket for easy on and off of the bucket and other attachments for the front. Easy service. Battery up front for easy access, air cleaner up front. Easy to get to fuel filter and oil filter. Coming around back, we've got, towards the rear of the machine, we've got our 3-point setup. Comes standard with extendable links for easy hookup of our implements. Comes standard with rear control 3-point hitch adjustment, and then this one here is coming with 2 rear remote functions and a 540 PTO. And then hooked behind, we've got a display here of our Woods RC5 rotary cutter. This rotary cutter will come with a 3-year gearbox warranty. Excellent choice to match up with this Bobcat CT2540. If you'd like to test drive this Bobcat, visit us at any 5 of our central Wisconsin locations or visit us at swiderskiequipment.com.
Don't miss spring savings on Bobcat compact tractors and attachments to get a jump start on your big projects. Visit us online or stop in today.